Hey everybody, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. Just like we've been doing for the last 16 years, today we're bringing you another powerful tool, a route planner for trips with multiple stops. What makes this tool special is that it doesn't just calculate the distance and time between starting and ending address. It also allows you to add multiple stops along the way, ensuring you have the most efficient route planned out. Whether you're in logistics, deliveries, field services, or just planning a road trip, this tool simplifies the process by automatically calculating driving distances and times between each stop. Here's how it works. You start by entering your starting location and ending destination. Then you can add up to 5 stops in between. The tool will automatically calculate the distance and travel time from the starting address to stop 1, stop 1 to stop 2, and so on until the last stop. Finally, it calculates the distance from the last stop to the final destination. For those of you already familiar with our tools, you know that we prioritize ease of use and accuracy. This tool integrates directly with Google Maps API, meaning it can handle both full addresses and zip codes. The more details you provide, the more precise the calculations will be. And don't worry, if you need help setting up Google Maps API, we have another video that walks you through the process step by step. Once you've entered all your data, whether it's for 25 routes or 2,500, simply click the Calculate button. The tool will instantly generate total driving distance and time for the entire trip, distance and time for each individual leg of the journey, a fully structured breakdown of each segment between stops. Let's look at our example here. Suppose we start in Carmi, Illinois, and make stops in Scott City, Missouri, Kentucky, and 2 other locations using these zip codes before reaching our final destination. The tool calculates the distance and time between each leg, giving you a complete breakdown of the journey. If a trip has no extra stops, that's fine too. It'll simply calculate the direct route between the start and end points. In here, you can see we have the total driving distance and time for each trip. We've been developing Excel-based driving calculators for over 16 years, and we now have over 7,500 happy customers using these tools daily. I get emails all the time from people telling me how much time and effort our tools have saved them, making route planning so much easier. Feel free to check out our Google reviews. We've got over 120 5-star ratings, and our users love how simple and effective these tools are. If you're interested in trying this out, click the link in the description to download the tool. We also have dozens of other Excel-based tools for logistics, distance calculations, and routing. So be sure to browse through them. You might find exactly what you need to optimize your daily operations. If you have any questions or need customizations for this tool, our phone number and email are on the screen. Yes, your call will be answered directly by Vinny, the mastermind behind Excel Distance Calculator. Otherwise, go ahead, download the tool, give it a try, and let us know how it works for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy route planning.